Why are there three credit agencies? So the reason there are three credit agencies is because the credit agencies are actually private companies. So it's like asking, why is there Pepsi and Coke? Well, number one, they compete against each other. These are private for-profit companies. They are publicly traded now, but they are all competing for the same customers, which are banks and lenders. And the banks and lenders are obviously using these credit reports to evaluate risk. Some companies are only using TransUnion. Some are only using Equifax. Some are only using Experian. Other companies are pulling a credit report that does have all three agencies summarized on that credit report, which is called a tri-merge. But for the most part, your simple answer is they compete. It's a for-profit business, so you're going to find competitors. Don't be surprised if you see a few major other credit vendors show up to the party soon as well. Thanks.